In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show custom fields in Asana's calendar view. First, open Asana in Google Chrome and sign into your account. Using the latest version of Chrome helps everything load smoothly, and being logged into the correct organization or workspace ensures you're seeing the right projects. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully load so task details and fields are available. Next, navigate to the project where you want more context on your calendar. At the top of the project, switch from the current layout to Calendar View. Calendar shows your tasks by due date, letting you scan what's coming up at a glance. If your calendar looks sparse, remember that it only shows tasks with dates, and what you see may also depend on any filters already applied to the project. Now look to the top right of the screen and click the Customize button. This opens a panel with options that control how your project appears. You'll see sections for things like rules, fields, and more. For our purposes, focus on the Custom Fields section. This is where you decide which data points appear right on each calendar card. In Custom Fields, simply check the boxes next to the fields you want to show. You might choose priority, status, effort, or any custom fields your team has added. As you select them, Asana immediately updates the calendar preview so you can confirm the layout without closing the panel. A quick tip: keep readability in mind. Showing every field can clutter the calendar, especially on smaller screens. Start with the 1 or 2 values your team references most, then add more if there's still room. The order of fields generally follows your project's field order, and different field types may display slightly differently with colors or short labels to keep things concise. When you're done, close the panel. Your selected fields now display on each task in Calendar View, giving you richer context without opening every task. Hovering over a field can reveal the full value if it's truncated, and resizing your browser window can free up a bit more space for labels. These display choices are project-specific, so they're saved for this project and will be there the next time you visit. That's it. You opened Asana, went to your project's calendar view, clicked Customize, and chose the fields you want to see. With those quick adjustments, your calendar becomes a powerful snapshot of both deadlines and the key details behind them.